welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing the origin story of the Balenciaga city bag. Recently on my channel I shared the story of the House of Gucci. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. And on my Instagram I did a poll to see which story would you guys be interested in hearing next, and the origin story of the Balenciaga city won that poll. So that's what I'm here to share with you today. So let's get into the video. So this is my Balenciaga city bag. I got this bag in 2013. This was my first YouTube video ever, was unboxing this beauty. As you see, the bag is super well used, super slouchy, but the leather is still absolutely stunning. And I love this bag. The story we're going to be covering today is the origins of this bag. Is definitely the most iconic, the most recognizable, probably the most popular piece ever to be released by the fashion house. The Balenciaga city bag was designed by Nicolas Ghesquière. He was the creative director at Balenciaga. He started designing for Balenciaga in 1997. At that time, Balenciaga was going through a bit of a transition and they really needed a new, fresh designer. And Nicolas was exactly that. For those who do not know, Nicolas is currently the creative director for women's wear at Louis Vuitton. From his first collection with the brand, he made a statement. In the year 2000, the execs at Balenciaga came to Nicolas. They wanted Nicolas to design their bag, like their signature bag, to compete with the other fashion houses. So Nicolas designed this bag and presented it to the execs. They were immediately unimpressed. So they immediately rejected the bag, saying it was too soft, that it did not have any structure, and it was pretty much overall lackluster. So they asked him to design something else. So Nicolas had to kind of start over. So at one of his fashion shows, backstage, there were a few of the samples that were made. And a few models got a look at them, including Kate Moss. It's said that Kate Moss was one of the models who initially spotted this bag backstage and complimented Nicolas on the design of the bag. What he did was he had 25 other samples made and gifted them to some of the models. And so soon after, these models were being photographed wearing the bag. Actually, a model like Kate Moss, who was super influential for the time, being spotted and photographed with the bag. Immediately everyone started asking, what is that bag? Where can we get it? With all of the chatter surrounding this bag, with all of the high demands of this bag, it was pretty much a given that Balenciaga was going to have to release this. And they did just that in 2001. In 2001, Balenciaga released their motorcycle city bag. Everyone instantly loved it. It became an instant classic. The bag was initially only produced in black. I think it was produced in black and brown, but at first the bag was only available in black, and that was for years to come until it became a seasonal thing to release the Balenciaga classic bags in different beautiful colors. I have to just mention, Nicolas, basically, he created history with that bag, for sure. What everyone loved about the bag, which is in fact the exact critique that the executives were giving, being that it was no structure, it was too light, too soft, there's no branding on the bag. Those exact critiques is exactly the reasons why everyone loved this bag. Everyone loved the fact that this bag was super carefree, still stylish and fun, but it wasn't too serious, it wasn't too structured. They loved the beautiful leather. What attracted me to this bag was the fact that there was no branding on it. This bag does not say Balenciaga anywhere besides the inside label. Everything is free of branding. I think that was, for me, definitely part of the allure of how understated it is. It's like you're in the know. If you know, you know. I think right now, anyone who's slightly into fashion will be able to recognize a Balenciaga city bag. But definitely in the early 2000s, it was not as evident. Do you guys think that Nicolas ended up designing a bag to match his competitors in the other fashion houses? And to answer that question, I think he was definitely successful. He brought a bag to the fashion house that competed with all the other major brands, and the Balenciaga City became Balenciaga's signature bag, and everyone was completely obsessed with the Balenciaga City. So guys, that's the origin story of the Balenciaga City. I thought this was super appropriate to share because I adore this bag, and it was my first YouTube video unboxing this bag right here. I have a little kind of extra to add. I thought it was only fitting. I've had my Balenciaga bag since 2013, about 8 years, going on 9 years already. So I thought it was time that I added another Balenciaga City into my handbag collection. So I have a new Balenciaga City, well, new to me, Balenciaga City, to share with you guys. And this is super special for so many reasons, because I would say the Balenciaga City is probably my favorite designer bag. I have such a history with the bag. I love it just as much as I did back when I initially bought it, and I was obsessed, guys. So it's time to share with you guys what I picked up. So as you guys can see, I picked this up from Fashionphile. So let's open it up. But you guys already know it's a Balenciaga City, but it's all about the color. And I definitely was in need of some color in my handbag collection, and also something that I was able to wear with almost anything. So let me just share. Wow. So this is my Balenciaga City. This is in the color, it's pronounced Parme, which is a light pink, kind of a beige color, and on camera it's looking very much baby pink, but in real life it's definitely more brown in there, a nude color with a hint of pink. So I absolutely love it. This bag is in phenomenal condition. This bag is from 2011, so this bag is 10 years old, and it's just in stunning condition. I mean, in comparison to my Balenciaga City, this one still looks pretty new compared to how worn my Balenciaga original City is. So this is definitely going to be my Balenciaga City that I'm going to be wearing now, and not retiring my original Balenciaga, but I am so excited to wear this bag. I will link my video reviewing the Balenciaga City if you're unfamiliar with the bag. But yes, I've added a new Balenciaga City to my collection. You know, I love shopping pre-loved bags at Fashionphile. That's pretty much my go-to place when I'm looking for a pre-loved bag. Confirm the price. So I got this bag for $400. $400. Insane. I purchased this bag back in 2013. I believe it was about $1,500 retail. Balenciaga City bags, I believe, went up to about over $2,000 easy. I got this for $400 and in beautiful condition. I have shared with you guys some tips when shopping Balenciaga pre-loved, that you want to check out the tassels, you want to look at pictures of the corner wear as well as the handles. I am going to, of course, list some Balenciaga City bags down below from Fashionphile that are going to be in great condition, but I'm going to find some that are even better pricing. Like $400, guys. And this is like one of the most iconic bags to me. So I'm super excited to have gotten this for that price. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, guys.